Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's making waves in the crypto world: how Bitcoin could reach $100,000 expert predictions. Whether you're a crypto investor, a curious beginner, or just following the headlines, this number, $100,000, has been discussed for years. But is it really possible? What do the experts say? Let's break it all down. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and let's get into it. 1. Why $100,000 matters. Why is the $100,000 milestone such a big deal? It's more than just a round number. It represents a psychological and financial turning point for Bitcoin. Hitting this mark would signal a major vote of confidence in Bitcoin's role, not just as a speculative asset, but as a legitimate store of value, a hedge against inflation, and a key part of modern investment portfolios. It would reinforce Bitcoin's image as digital gold and validate the belief that it can hold and grow wealth over time. Reaching $100,000 could also attract a fresh wave of institutional investors, including pension funds, hedge funds, and large financial institutions that have so far been cautious. Their entry could trigger a massive demand surge, tightening supply and potentially driving prices even higher, possibly into uncharted territory. 2. The current landscape, 2025. As of 2025, Bitcoin is showing significant signs of recovery and resilience after its peak of nearly $69,000 in 2021 and subsequent corrections. Key developments have contributed to its renewed strength, including the approval of Bitcoin ETFs, which have made it easier for investors to enter the market. Adoption of Bitcoin is growing in various countries, with both retail and institutional investors increasing their holdings. Major companies such as Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square are continuing to hold Bitcoin on their balance sheets, signaling confidence in its long-term potential. These factors, combined with growing public interest and Bitcoin's expanding role as a store of value, create a solid foundation for future growth. And many experts believe that this could pave the way for Bitcoin to reach new heights, including the much-discussed $100,000 milestone. Third prediction. 1. Fidelity, institutional demand. Fidelity Investments, one of the largest financial firms, has taken a bullish stance on Bitcoin, believing it is emerging as a next-generation store of value. They predict that as more institutions seek assets not tied to fiat currencies, Bitcoin will attract significant institutional demand. If even a small portion of global institutional capital flows into Bitcoin, its price could surge toward $100,000 sooner than anticipated, further solidifying its role in mainstream investment portfolios. Fourth prediction. 2. Cathie Wood, ARK Invest forecast. Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, has been a prominent advocate for Bitcoin's long-term potential. In ARK's Big Ideas 2025 report, the firm projects a base case price of $710,000 per Bitcoin by 2030, with a bullish scenario reaching up to $1.5 million. Wood attributes this optimism to factors such as Bitcoin's deterministic supply schedule, increasing institutional adoption, and its emerging role as a digital store of value. She believes that as Bitcoin's supply approaches its 21 million cap, its scarcity will drive demand, supporting higher valuations. Wood's perspective underscores ARK Invest's confidence in Bitcoin's future, highlighting its potential to become a significant asset class in the coming years. 5. Risks and challenges. Despite the optimism surrounding Bitcoin, there are significant risks and challenges that could hinder its path to $100,000. Regulatory uncertainty remains one of the biggest obstacles, as governments around the world continue to debate how to classify and regulate cryptocurrencies. Any major regulatory crackdown, particularly in key markets like the US or China, could lead to sharp declines in Bitcoin's price. Additionally, Bitcoin's price remains highly volatile, and market fluctuations can occur due to speculative trading, news events, or large investors moving assets. Furthermore, Bitcoin faces potential technological challenges, including issues with security or scaling, which could undermine investor confidence. While Bitcoin has weathered previous challenges, these risks could slow its climb to $100,000. So can Bitcoin really hit $100,000? Based on expert predictions and the current trends, the answer is very possibly. With institutional adoption, reduced supply, positive macro conditions, and increasing trust, the path to $100,000 is more realistic now than ever before. Thanks for watching. Do you think Bitcoin will reach $100,000 soon or further down the road? Let us know in the comments. We read everyone. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, invest smart, stay informed, and see you in the next video.